All the great players in life, whether it's in business, fitness, or mindset, have one thing in common. They take care of their body like it's their most powerful asset. At AgeRejuvenation, we offer hyper-wellness treatments that help you operate at your highest level, mentally, physically, and emotionally. These aren't Band-Aid solutions. They're powerful, science-backed therapies that support your body at the cellular level, so you feel better, think clearer, and recover faster. Let's walk you through what's included. IV therapy. When your body is depleted, IV therapy delivers essential vitamins, minerals, and hydration directly into your bloodstream, giving you immediate energy, immune support, and recovery. It's like giving your cells a direct charge. Red light therapy. This therapy uses specific wavelengths of red and near-infrared light to reduce inflammation, improve skin health, and boost cellular energy. You'll feel it in your recovery, your performance, and even how you look in the mirror. Hydrogen molecular therapy, one of the most powerful tools to fight oxidative stress. This therapy helps reduce inflammation, support detoxification, and enhance mental clarity. It's a favorite for people dealing with burnout, brain fog, or chronic fatigue. BrainTap. This isn't just relaxation, it's performance recovery for your mind. BrainTap combines sound and light frequencies with guided meditation to help calm your nervous system, improve sleep, and boost mental focus. PEMF, Pulsed Electromagnetic Field Therapy. PEMF uses magnetic pulses to activate your body's natural healing response. It enhances circulation, eases pain, speeds up recovery, and helps repair at the deepest level. Perfect for athletes, high performers, or anyone dealing with chronic tension or injury. Altogether, these therapies form a powerful system to help you recharge, restore, and level up. Because high performers don't just train harder, they recover smarter. So if you're ready to bring out your A game, your plan starts here. With hyper wellness at AgeRejuvenation, let's take your body and your performance to the next level.